Alright, to create hidden fold paper art, the first thing you need to do is fold this piece of paper all the way in half. It doesn't matter which way, long ways or tall ways. You want to make sure it's as even as possible. And then you want to take that first fold and fold that in half, which will make that quarters. If you open it up, you'll see half a page and then 2/4. Here I'm going to be drawing the shark from the thumbnail. I like to draw with a pencil just in case uh, you mess up, you're able to erase. If you want, you can kind of copy what I'm drawing, or you can draw anything you want. If you saw on the front, on the thumbnail, that there's like little orange and green monsters, there's a shark, and then there's also going to be a second drawing. So we're just going to speed through this. After I'm done drawing the shark, I'll end up tracing over it with black marker. But now, you see the shark there, you open it up, and then you want to draw stuff in between. You want to make sure that what you're drawing in between doesn't show up when you fold the shark back. So you want to draw the lines on the inside of the shark. And so for the shark, we're going to draw it opening its mouth and eating a fish. And draw some sharp teeth. And then we're going to add the fish. Then I'm going to speed through me tracing with a black marker. You can see it looks a lot better once you trace it. Colored pencils, crayons, markers, whatever, and start coloring it in. And now we're done. You see when you fold it up, it just looks like a regular shark. Then when you unfold it, you really see what the picture is. And that is one really simple and easy hidden fold paper art. So now we're going to do a second one. Going to fold it the same way that we did the first time, just fold it in half. Then you're going to fold the top page back in half to make quarters. Here I'm going to make that line art from one of the other videos that we've posted. With this hidden art, you can really draw whatever you want. I just like drawing this line art, so that's what I'm going to be doing. My favorite of the 3 hidden arts that I did were the orange and green monsters, but I forgot to record those. I also messed up here. You can see that little green where the blue is, that shouldn't be there. You want to make sure all the hidden stuff is actually hidden and doesn't end up on the front page.